Ever wanted to build your own app to share notes and resources with friends or classmates without coding and without spending a single rupee? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cybersecurity notes and resources app using just Google Sheets and Google Drive. No coding, no hosting, no headaches. It'll be accessible online, can be updated in real time, and yes, you can even customize it with your own content. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up Google Drive folder. Create a new folder on Google Drive. Call it something like Cyber Notes app. Inside, upload your PDFs, images, slides, or any resources related to cybersecurity. Right-click the folder, click Get Link. Change access to anyone with the link, Viewer. Tip: you can organize it into subfolders: web hacking, Linux basics, malware analysis, etc. Step 2. Create the master sheet, open Google Sheets, and make a new sheet. Add the following columns: title, description, category, drive, link. Fill it with rows for each resource. Paste the shareable drive links. You're now basically creating your own mini database. Step 3. Make it an app. Click Extensions greater than AppSheet greater than Create an app. It'll auto-generate a basic app using your spreadsheet data. Customize. Change the icon to a hacker/cyber style image. Set categories as filters. Choose dark mode for aesthetics. Demo app preview on phone screen. Boom, you now have a working app showing titles, categories, and links to each cyber resource. Step 4. Share your app. Hit share in AppSheet. Send the install link to friends, classmates, or even post it in your bio. Whether you're teaching cybersecurity, studying for exams, or building a hacking toolkit, this app can grow with you. Bonus tip: want to add a login page, feedback form, or even quiz features? AppSheet supports it. You can link a Google form, embed YouTube videos, or even track who accessed what. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a lock emoji in the comments if you love cybersecurity. And hey, I'll share the template link in the description so you can clone it in one click. Stay secure, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.